are going to touch here is since you have this gloves na, sterile, is the sterile part. So, nandyan ba siya?
Put the second glove on the non-dominant hand. Take up the other glove with the sterile gloved hand. Such as?
How are you going to pick it up? You hook your fingers into the cuff na sterile part. Okay, just like this. Avoid touching the non-sterile part. And then, slowly insert your... And... Mamaya yun na siya ayusin. Okay? Ganyan talaga, no? Tapos ayusin niyo siya. Since this is sterile, kahit na hindi siya maayos, sterile to sterile. And then, sterile to sterile,
So once both are placed, that's the time you adjust each glove so that it fits smoothly and carefully by pulling the cuff up and sliding your fingers under the cuff. So that's it.
okay?
Simple as that.
Remove.
You also remove your glove after using.
Okay, same principle, baliktad nga lang. So, anong dinemo ko kanina? Kaliwete ako?
Yes.
Okay. So, left. So, una kong aalisin is my left glove, right? So, sterile to sterile. So, kunwari, tapos na yung procedure niyo. You get the glove here. Then, isa-isang glove. Ma'am Casey, what are we going to teach them? Yung isa-isa or yung ibabalot siya?
Ibabalot. Dapat niya sa loob yung...
Yung first isa, okay. So, di ba, hinok ko, I'm going to pull it out. Okay?
And dapat bumaliktad siya.
And, ayan, no, nakita niyo bumaliktad siya. Okay, and then after that, non-sterile part, ihuhok ko yung kamay ko, then I'm going to pull this out. Okay, and then dispose. Pag dispose, hindi ka gaya sa tissue, okay? So, ulitin natin, right hand naman.
For the right dominant hand.